Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Smoothie Productions, and guess what? I got a hold of the Rode Wireless Go-To Single Mic Unit Setup Receiver and Transmitter, and I'm gonna let y'all check out the unboxing. It's a little long, but that's how it is. This is how you try to figure things out that you need. Has all the writing and all the stuff on it, and I'm gonna open it up here. I know how to open it up. I don't even know how to open it up. Okay, that goes there. And what? How do you open this thing? I'm still look. See, look. Hmm. Okay, that is like that. This side goes. I don't know what side goes where. Ah, gosh. Hmm. That goes down there. Now, how do you open this thing? Here is it. Yeah, I'm still messing with it. Crazy, right? Maybe it opens from the bottom. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm opening it from the bottom. Yeah, that's the sticker piece on it. Okay, and what do we have inside? In this box, I don't know what's in this box. Okay, in this box we have the cables. USB-C cables, USB-C cable, two USB-C cables, the instructions, and we have I guess this is the cable that connects to your camera, from what I see, right? Okay, that's enough of that box. That's the instructions. Okay, in the main box, we have our little salt, you know. We have our pouch. We have our pouch. Guess that straps onto your belt. Okay. And in here we have the two units, the receiver and the transmitter. Okay. The receiver, the transmitter, and two wind muffs. That's one wind muff. That's the second wind muff. Okay. You pull the clip off. This is one of the units. And you pull this off. This is the other unit. And I'll put this back in the box. And, okay, we'll sit that there for now. These are the cords. Okay, now I don't know if it's on or off, and where is it? Okay, this is the power switch. Probably needs to be charged, but you see it. That's one of them, and it's probably not charged. Let's see. Thought it'd be a little charge right out the box, but it's not. This is one part of the unit. This is the other part of the road unit. I will have to charge both these up with the cables, the USB-Cs. These wind muffs, from what I see, they go on and you twist it counterclockwise. So this is just part one. These are the two units. I don't know, let me see. Hold it down for a few seconds, see what happens. Okay, one unit comes on. Alright. You got one of the units on. That's one. Let's see, where's the other one? And the other one. Does the other one come on? Come on. Let's hold it down. I don't know. Well, the main unit's on. The battery's good. That's one part. The other part, I don't know what the heck it is. The other one, I think this one has to be all these little doodads here. Well, one side is on, the other one's not. So what I'll do is I'll take a US. Where is it? This card has to be charged up. I need a power bank or something. Ugh. Okay, this is a little test that I tried out, and this is, you see, the road wireless to go to. I'm just trying to get used to it, and here we go. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was one of the recordings. This is something else I was messing with. Still trying to get used to it. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this one, I don't think there's anything to it. This is from the microphone. And the other one's the microphone receiver, so I'm about to try that out in a minute. Hold on a second. Let's see what happens. You didn't pick it up yet? What's going on here? Okay, that's the other one. This is on, gain, everything is on. Hold. I don't want to split. Okay. I guess I gotta hook both of them up. Oh, yeah. See, this is the. I don't know what it is. That's just channel one again. That's one. That's the other one. It's on. Let's see. It says view recording. What happened? Okay, that's it for now. I'm gonna see if how about erasing it and trying it all over again. I've been testing out the Rode One wireless microphone system. This is it hooked up to my A6500. This is the remote. See, it's hooked up through the TRS wire. This is the mic. It's actually one on each. I don't know how to work that part out, but I'm just dealing with this one right here. And I've been messing with it for quite a few hours. You know, I got my A6500 hooked up through a dummy battery. It's on record, but I'm not really worried about that right now. I'm just trying to check out the mic recording levels and stuff like that. Okay, I'm about to cut this mic off and hook it up into the computer. See, that's my A6500. I got a 35mm Cine lens, a 35mm lens on it. I'm not really focused on anything. I mean, I can focus on something if I want to. But right now, it's just about, I'm using the Rode to Go wireless microphone system. That's it hooked up on top of my A6500. That's the wire going into the mic input. And this is the wireless mic that's hooked up to me with a dead cat on it. So, okay, I'm gonna cut this off. So if I cut this one off, then the recording will stop. The lights off? Yeah, the lights off. So the recording is stopped. I'm gonna unplug this. Okay, I'm gonna stop the camera. Cut that off. Okay. Now, here's the cord. This is the mic. I'm about to hook it up to the computer. Rode software. Okay, last check. Yeah, it drags on the wireless to go software, but I'm just letting y'all see. It was a spooky night. See, it's dragging, right? Everybody was just like, he said, you want to do it today? Tomorrow? See it blinking?
Is that
Okay,
what it's
hold on.
all about? Hmm. Let's think about this.
Okay, now I'm going to take just this recording and I'm going to export it onto my files. This is the Rode recording files, right? I'm going to put it on there. Export in progress. Okay, close. Okay, this is recording number 7. I'm going to open. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Smooth One of Smooth One Productions, and this is the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic. It's the single mic setup. I wanted to get the dual mic setup, but they said they would have to ship it, and I had to get my hands on it ASAP so I can test it out and see what I can do with it and what I can't do with it, my shortcomings and stuff like that. So I'm still figuring it out. But I purchased it from ADOROMA, and also I'll put a link in the description on where I got it from. It's a pretty nice little setup. I don't know about the distance. I don't know about if you can get 7 hours of recording off of it. I'm still kind of new to it, but so far it worked. You know, I've been messing with it, and I charged both units, and I'm probably gonna try it out tonight when I get in from work. Smooth One Productions, and I'm out.